Finding a certificate. After you finish a course or certification, you may want to print or save your certificate as proof of completion. In order to find your certificates, log in and go to your dashboard. On the dashboard, click My Certificates on the left side. Here, you'll be able to see all of the certificates available to you. Find the certificate you're looking for and click the blue Download button, which will cause your certificate to open in a new tab or window. Use your browser's buttons to print the certificate or save it to your computer. You can also access your certificate by clicking the blue Download Certificate button at the end of a course. If you'd like a framed certificate or a pin, click the Buy Certification Items button and choose the items you'd like to purchase.